is your sis Rocky. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Rocky. I make videos about natural hair, healthy skin, natural nails, and just overall health and wellness. So if any of those topics interest you, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the bunny family because you're always welcome here. In today's video, I am going to explain to you why I am receiving a little bit of breakage and what I'm going to do to fix it. I'm also going to be styling my hair, and I will be using this Maui Moisture. This is the Shea Butter Combing Cream. I won't be reviewing it, but I want to let you know what product I'm using. Really, this video is about my breakage. It's not really about the product. It's not about the hairstyle. I just want to go over what's happening with my hair and why. So if you've been receiving any breakage, please leave me a comment below and let me know what type of breakage you're receiving and why. But anyways, let's just hop right into this video. If you don't know, I also have some damage from Diva Curls. So I use a different oil blend for my scalp health in the sections where I have a chemical burn. Oh gosh, I have a lot going on. Okay, so in the sections where I have a chemical burn, I have an oil blend that I created. To style my hair, I use the Maui Moisture Shea Butter Combing Cream. It's much more lightweight than the coconut smoothie. Today I am going to be doing a 3-strand twist. I have some mild damage due to sectioning. If you haven't followed me for a while, which I hope you have, then you know that I am a strong advocate for Type 4 Naturals sectioning their hair, especially if you have high density hair. I do think it is extremely helpful for your hair to be sectioned when you're doing it. But what I've noticed over the past few months is that I'm getting breakage, and my breakage is all in the sections where I part my hair. I am experiencing extreme dryness right now. Using a thick oil such as castor oil to seal has actually been kind of beneficial. And also, if you don't know, my hair doesn't like glycerin. So this product, glycerin is like the third ingredient. Using a sealant helps lock in the moisture so my hair is less likely to get frizzy. I'm going to start with a braid at the root and then go into a 3-strand twist. I've seen it done this way and it seems to be an easy way to do it, so I'm going to try to do it that way. So starting with just a regular braid and then going into the twist. Now, since I've started this sectioning process, I always part my hair in the same parts. My hair is so trained in how I part it that my hair can part itself without me doing anything to it, which I was totally cool with. It makes parting so much easier when your hair knows exactly where you want it to part. But I think this is what contributed to me getting breakage. I'm not giving up sectioning. I tried wash day without sections and it was horrible for my emotional health. So I am going to make the sectioning work for me. So I do have to repair the hair that has breakage. So what I'm going to be doing is using an oil. It is the Hair Chemist Strengthen Hair Oil with castor oil. And what I really like about this is it has this nozzle, so I can just go directly to the scalp. Or when I dispense it, I can just dispense, a dab of it. It's not too much. It is a castor oil, so it is going to be a little bit thicker than a traditional oil. Also, in conjunction with that, actually before I place the castor oil on, I have this Redken Extreme Anti-Snap. This is an anti-breakage leave-in treatment for distressed hair. I only focus this on the sections of hair that have breakage. I'll just place it right directly on the strands and a little bit in the front. This treatment, it's kind of extreme to use all over the head, so I'm only using it on the sections of hair that have the breakage. That is what I'm going to be doing to help my hair so that it can regrow in the areas where it has broken off. I feel like these 3-strand twists, they're so chunky because my sections are pretty big, so they're shriveling up. So I just did the bandy method to stretch them. So I'll keep it like this for about 12 hours, and then I'll take it out and let it dry for another 12 hours just regular. That's the plan. So I'll see you when I'm ready to take them down. As I mentioned, I do have a little bit of breakage in the areas where I would typically part my hair, and this is from constant sectioning. So to remedy the problem, I am not getting rid of my sections. I tried to do a wash day without sections. It was horrible. I hated it. I had so much anxiety and it was just a mess. So what I'm going to do is just every single wash day, every single restyle, I am going to change my sections up. And then also I am going to be using my oil blend, and I'm also going to be incorporating more protein treatments regularly. I am so bad at being consistent with protein treatments, but I'm going to do it. I have to do it. My hair is like, I need protein. You need to stop this. So I'm really good at the moisture treatments and the hydration treatments, but when it comes to protein, I need to get on my game. So I'm gonna do better with that. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope you learned something new. As always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to me because I'd love to have you. But until next time, see ya.